lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ni ó máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ni ó máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ni ó máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ni ó máa fẹ́ àsíá o Yorùbá nation lẹ́lẹ́ ni ó máa fẹ́ àsíá o Yorùbá nation lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ 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 ni yóò máa fẹ́ àsíá o Yorùbá nation lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ni yóò máa fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́. Nigeria is not working, man. What are you celebrating? Celebrating poverty, celebrating crime, celebrating insecurity, no healthcare, no jobs, no industry. It is time that we start talking about the unity of Nigeria. The unity of Nigeria must be negotiated, and the indigenous people must be allowed to live freely and decide their fate under the right to self-determination. Self-determination is not a crime. Self-determination must be accepted by the present administration of President Bola Tinubu. The Yoruba people are saying that we have had enough of the union that have taken us backwards, the union that doesn't make the life of individual Yoruba people to become who they want to be. Once again, my name is Koikimedia. As we are preparing for the day program, today is October 1st. We are not celebrating any shithole independent. There's no need for that. We have celebrated independence for too long and it has been a failure. But tonight, today, this morning, this afternoon, wherever you are, make sure if you can join me at the Nigerian High Commission in the next 1 hour when we're going to start our full program. And that is my train. That is the train coming behind me. You can see there the London Underground. As you can see the train getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. And I'm going to get on the train now. So if you have the time, if you're in London, join me. If otherwise, you can join the live transmission. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Bye for now.